I should shovel all this over there from this terrace, and there's a little bit of work over there. Then I should also shovel a pretty big spot over here for my car, but we are losing daylight really fast, and I'm very tired after my long drive, so I think I'm gonna continue tomorrow. This is actually our forest. The trees are really old. Sometimes goshawks and sparrowhawks like to use these trees and this forest to feed, and I guess owls as well. I once saw during nighttime this really big owl. It wasn't like a certain sighting, but I believe it was Eurasian eagle owl, which is my favorite. But that was like 10 years ago, so it's not a big forest, it's a pretty small forest actually, but the trees are very old, and there is also birches, so it's not just all spruce, so that's great. And a little trees as well. During summertime all these get green, so it looks completely different. Okay, I need to fix this, but I cannot do it now because a blizzard is coming. You maybe can see it. I was able to do all the snow work on this area over here, but I'm gonna need to make a hole for the vehicle on this property because the road over there is blocked right now by my car, and you know, the guy who does the, you know, comes with the snow truck to push all the snow from the road needs to have the road empty, and a blizzard just completely surprised me. Let's get just straight into it and hurry. Well, this is the area. There's only this pathway. My car is over there, blocking completely the road, but I'm gonna need to get it over here. So all this snow has to be taken away, I guess. So let's just get into it. Get right into it. Whew, finally. It took a little bit of work, but I first tried to get it over here, but it's still blocked more than half of the road, so I was finally able to get it there, but I hope it doesn't get stuck over there. It's almost, the snow pile is almost as high as the car. Crazy. Nothing can beat this. Listen to this. Nothing. Just complete silence. Crazy. This is amazing. The blizzard came last evening, but we didn't get that much snow in the end. I was expecting a lot more snow, but it's always a little bit sad to leave this place, leave the cabin life and go back to the city life. But city life is calling and it would be nice to be here all the time, but that's just not possible. So I guess this was it. I need to start packing things up, and yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this, press the thumbs up button and subscribe, and hopefully we will see you again on the next one.